So get this. Samsung just cooked up a brand new 200 megapixel sensor, the ISOCELL HPB. It's massive, a 1/1.4-inch format beast. On paper, this thing sounds like the kind of sensor you'd expect to headline the Galaxy S26 Ultra, right? Except, nope, plot twist. It's not going to Samsung's crown jewel. Instead, it's headed straight to Vivo's upcoming X300 series. The base X300 is using it as the main camera, and the Pro model might even slap it onto a telephoto lens. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. And here's where it gets spicy. Tipster Ice Universe is saying the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still rocking a way smaller 1/2.55-inch telephoto sensor. Yeah, that did not sit well with fans. I mean, imagine being the company that builds the world's most advanced camera sensor, then watching your competitors flex it on their phones while your own flagship sits on the sidelines. That's like being the chef who makes a Michelin-star steak, but only your neighbors get to eat it. Now, the reason behind this little soap opera actually has to do with Samsung's structure. See, Samsung Semiconductor is the group that makes these sensors, and Samsung MX is the group that makes Galaxy smartphones. They're technically on the same team, but half the time it feels like they're playing against each other. That rivalry means not every shiny new sensor goes straight into a Galaxy Ultra. Sometimes other brands get first dibs. Some people think if Samsung MX ran more independently, every Galaxy Ultra would be loaded with Samsung's best camera tech. But here's the thing, even without those monster sensors, Galaxy Ultras still outsell pretty much every other Ultra phone on the market. Why? Because Samsung's image processing and software tricks use so much heavy lifting that the photos still come out world-class. And let's be real, that's all most people care about. Plus, there's another angle. Samsung's been pushing for sleeker and lighter designs, and these giant sensors don't exactly help. Stick a 1/1.4 sensor in there and suddenly your camera bump looks like a speed bump. So maybe, just maybe, it's less about holding back tech and more about keeping the phone balanced in your hand and pocket. That said, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still expected to bring some camera upgrades, so it's not like Samsung's leaving us empty-handed. But it does raise a good question. Should Samsung throw its absolute best sensors into its own flagships no matter what, or are they right to focus on design and optimization instead? I want to hear what you guys think. Drop your take in the comments, and if you're into these deep dives on upcoming tech, make sure you get that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you soon.